Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to monetize SoundCloud. So the very first thing to do is, of course, you must have your SoundCloud account. You just have to type soundcloud.com and you just have to enter your email address, password, and then verify that you're 100% human. And that's it. You have opened your SoundCloud account. Now, what you're seeing right now is my original soundtrack, and this is my original audio. So I uploaded it here on SoundCloud, and this is what it looks like. Now you can upload as many as you can here, but just for now, for this tutorial, I uploaded at least one of my original sounds, and I want to monetize this one. But take note, you cannot do it right away. But later I will discuss how are you going to monetize your sound or monetize your music here in SoundCloud. But first, if you want to monetize that, you just have to go to edit and then you can see here basic information. So for basic information, you just have to enter the following information here: title, we have here genre, description, caption, and so on. Okay. Now we have here metadata, and all you have to do is to simply enter also the needed information here: artist, which is your name, publisher, composer, title, and so on. Okay, and also if you go to permissions, you click the circle if you want to give access to the following. Okay, so enable direct downloads, you just have to click that one. Offline listening, click that one. Okay, enable app playback, you can click that one, or you can also don't want to include that. You can just leave it empty. Okay, if you want to unlock with next row, if you want to be in control, you can unlock it one. Now for advanced, as you can see here, this is to encourage your listeners to purchase or to buy your item, your music. So you have to select the 20-second excerpt of your track. That's very important. If they think that they like the sound for the just 20 seconds of your music, okay, they will really purchase and go to your profile and buy your music or download your music, as easy as that. Now, if you wonder where is the monetization button, it should be next to metadata. But there are things you should do in order to qualify for sound monetization. So we have here you must have 1,000 followers in your profile, monetize of your main label or artist SoundCloud profiles, no additional sign up fee, and you earn 70% of all your royalties. Monetize multiple profiles on your account, distribute your music into the SoundCloud, Go platform optional, and so on. So you must have to acquire the following here in order for you to monetize your music and SoundCloud. Now, what does it look like if you open this monetization button or feature? So this is what it looks like. But before anything else, you should be aware that it normally takes up to 5 business days for a track to become monetized on SoundCloud. So, anyways, this is what it looks like, and you just have to enable monetization here. And then here in the country, you can see tons of countries here. You just have to replace that into your name. So Australia, automatic replace it to your name. Canada, replace it to your name so that your track will be available worldwide. So that's how you monetize your music or track on SoundCloud. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.